My heart's beating so fast I can't speak. I just want to see you. That's one thing. And
Today feeling pretty good to you?
oh my God, it's amazing. I'll take like 10 seconds. Hold on. It's amazing. It's great. Like I found Abraham just about a year ago. Actually, tomorrow it's going to be a year. So things been great. Things are perfect.
Do you know what you like most of all? Of all the things, you like clarity, because you are someone who considers deliberately, looks for solutions, and knows them when you find them. That's why you're feeling satisfaction here today. So what leading edge, what new thing burst into your mind as you were sitting here this morning?
Thanks for asking. You know, I honestly, I don't have a problem.
We know. We don't either. That makes us good together.
Like I said, I found you a year ago, but so things are perfect right now. So I came to this place over a thought which crossed my mind about 5 years ago. I just wanted to tell you that.
Yeah.
Maybe you can just say, okay, we can just leave after.
Yeah.
I thought that this is how everything started. So I thought that everything is connected.
Yes.
I started seeing that it happened like an epiphany, I don't know if I'm using the correct English word, like a realization. I thought
Epiphany, but that's what we're talking about. When you get in that receiving mode and things occur to you, that's what that is. That's what that is.
I just wanted to ask from Abraham, why do I think this thought is so, why did I think, and even to this day, I think this thing, let me say, okay, I thought everything's connected to me, like everything in the universe is connected.
Because it is.
Yeah, so it's very clear. I see the reactions. So anyway, the next thing I want to do.
So let's talk about everything in the universe. And then let's talk about law of attraction and the response that law of attraction has to everything in the universe. Then we can talk about the connection of everything in the universe. Yes? What we're most interested in is, so as you were sitting there, of course, you have these moments in time and these connected moments when your inner being is actually standing right with you, flowing thoughts right with you. And what we're interested in hearing from you, if you know it, is what new thought burst into your mind since you've been in this room here today. Because every day more of that connection happens. What you want to call the starting point of that explosion in your mind 5 years ago is continuing in every moment, every moment, every moment, every moment, every moment.
Every second.
Yeah. And the satisfaction of it is getting a piece of it, a comprehensible piece of it, to chew on just a little bit. And that's where that feeling of clarity comes, that satisfying feeling of your hands in the clay, of the creation of your own experience. Yes.